Hey guys, it's your girl Ashley. If you're new to my channel, what's up? So today I'm going to be doing a test slash review on a product that I found through TikTok. Now, I know I've been talking a lot about TikTok, but during this quarantine, there's nothing really much to do, so don't judge me. Not only that, but I found some really cool stuff off of TikTok, okay? Now, the product that I'm going to be testing and reviewing for you guys today is this. Now, when I saw the video, the girl didn't really go into details. There were so many people commenting, having so many questions. Like, I was like, excuse me, what brand is that? Where did you get it? How much is it? How does it work? Does it remove your makeup? I had so many questions, so I'm here to answer all of those for you. And let's see how it works. Now, I personally have combination skin. I'm more in the oily side, and I try everything possible to mattify my face because the struggle, so I've used like mattifying primers, some matte foundations, and I wanna see I come looking hella oily throughout the day. Before I jump into testing how this actually works, let me tell you guys where I got it from, where you can probably get it from, and all the goody good stuff, okay? So I got mine off of Amazon. Now I did check up again on Amazon. It says that it won't be in stock until later on today, so I don't know about that. But I got mine off of Amazon. You can also get it on Revlon.com. I'm not exactly sure if they will be having this in stores right now, but you can try and check your local drugstore, like maybe Walmart, Target, CVS, Rite Aid, Walgreens, all those kind of places, even Ulta, because I know Ulta carries drugstore products too, so you can check those places out. Like I said, I got mine off of Amazon and I paid $12.99 for it, so you shouldn't pay no more than $12.99 in case you're getting it somewhere else. Just saying, keep a lookout, girl. Don't want you spending your money. I've used things in the past to help me mattify my face, like those blotting papers. I believe they're from like Neutrogena. I know there's other brands that have it too, but I used to use that back in like middle school. That was such a long time ago, but they were like light blue. And then when you would pass it when you would pass it around your face, it would turn transparent. It was so freaking interesting and disgusting at the same time, but it always removed my makeup, which was so annoying. Another hack too, in case you want to try it out and you didn't know this, but the cover seat papers that you use for, public restrooms, you can actually use that for blotting your face and helps remove some of the excess oil. But again, it could remove a little bit of that makeup. So I feel like the main thing here is, excuse me, but does this remove my makeup? Because most of the time you're going to want to use this once I have a full face on. But let's go ahead and let's go ahead and read off of the Revlon website all the information we have about this baby. I'm on their website right now, so I'm going to read the description. It says, combat shine with ease thanks to this oil-absorbing face roller made from real volcanic stone. Just pop the cap and this compact shine buster is ready to roll for on-the-go touch-ups anytime, anywhere. Best of all, it's reusable. So that's pretty cool, the fact that it's not something that you just throw away. You're able to reuse it, especially for $12.99. I was not about to just use it once and throw it away. But let's go ahead and read the details. Eliminate excess oil in an instant for shine-free skin whenever you need it, at home or on the go. Our oil-absorbing face roller is made with real volcanic stone, which, little known fact, is incredibly effective at blotting away shine. You'll love the way our facial roller feels as you roll it across your skin like a mini face massage. You'll love it even more that you can use it on clean skin or over your finished face and it won't mess with your makeup. And unlike blotting papers that are single use and then thrown away, our facial roller can be used over and over again and it's simple to wash. So that's pretty cool. Now let's check out the how to use, okay? So it says, remove the cap, then gently roll the volcanic stone over your T-zone, across your forehead and down your nose, or anywhere you have excess oil. To clean it, twist the locking ring around the stone clockwise to unlock, then remove the volcanic stone, wash with warm water and your favorite gentle cleanser. Rinse and allow it to air dry overnight before you lock it back in again. For my lazy girls out there, y'all know that that's a tough one. I don't know why, but it's so hard for me to keep a routine at night. I'm working on it, but I do like the fact that I could just rinse it out with a cleanser and just let it air dry, but I feel like I might forget that. So it's just creating a routine, basically. But right now, personally, I am not oily. You might see a little bit of shine reflecting out of these bright lights, but I'm not really oily, so I am going to wait just a tiny bit so my, natural oils start coming out so we can really test this out, because I don't want to put it on right now and then it's not really going to do anything. So I'm just going to wait a couple hours and then I'll be right back so we can go ahead and test this out. And we are back. It's been about 2.5 hours since I left, and look at me. I'm looking like an oily mess. Look at my forehead. My forehead is always the one that looks extremely, extremely oily, but I even feel like, when you just feel gross while you're wearing makeup, you just feel like really sweaty and like oily and disgusting. That is how I feel. It's just a very hot day today here in California, but whatevers. This is the best time to go ahead and try this out. I also killed some time by watching The Umbrella Academy on Netflix. If you guys haven't seen that, you need to see it. I actually really like it. I binge watched it and within like maybe 2, maybe 3 days with my brother. It's on season 2 and now I'm sad because I have to wait for season 3. The struggle. So the way that it's supposed to work, you see this little roller here. See if I can get it to focus. So it rolls. So all I have to do is basically do this all over my face and it's supposed to go ahead and capture the oil. So let's see if it actually works. I'm nervous. Okay, so I'm just gonna... I mean, do you guys see that line? This is what the thing picked up, but I don't know if that's makeup or if that's oil. I mean, it's a mixture of both, but I'm just very gently because I don't want to like do anything that's going to ASMR moment. I mean, it's literally my whole forehead, so it's working. I would pass it through my eyebrows, but my eyebrows are just like literally so freaking oily. I'm just gonna get a tissue and blot my eyebrows because I don't want to A, ruin my eyebrows, and then 2, I don't want to stain the thing. But I'm gonna do just this much for my forehead area. But do you guys see the difference already? And that was just my forehead, but look at how freaking gross this thing looks like now. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go ahead and continue this on my nose because I do have my nose being a little bit oily. This is so weird because it feels like I'm putting like powder on because it looks really freaking matte. My cheeks always... It's crazy because it literally makes such a huge difference. On my nose is gonna be hard to do. It's like you do it in one area and then like you have to do your whole face because like it looks completely different. I did half of my face and I can see a huge difference. I mean, I feel like you guys can see how like dark my bronzer looks here. And it's kind of gone here. So I feel like it does remove a little bit of the makeup. It's like once you do it in a certain section, like you have to continue because you can tell the difference. There you go. Matte face Ashley again. Whoa. Okay, so I am pretty up close and I do not see my face being shiny like it was. This is crazy to me. Obviously, like I said, I can't really get really in there because I have a really defined like crease nose or whatever. But like I said, I do feel like it lifted a little bit of that bronzer, but like the foundation is still intact. The powder that I used to set my foundation is still intact. Like, I'm not mad about it really. I mean, it looks a little bit blotchy, so I can maybe just go over it a little bit, but I'm shook. But I will say that this looks extremely gross compared to how it was, you know, before we actually used it. So you're definitely going to want to clean it. So I'm going to show you guys how to go ahead and clean this. So all you're going to do is, it tells you even right here, you see how it's telling you to twist this way for you to unlock it. So you unlock it, you set this aside because this is not dirty unless you want to clean it. It's up to you, but I'm not going to do that. But then you go ahead and take this out. And then you have 3 pieces. You can go ahead and clean all 3, especially this one because it did get some makeup on it, but obviously the volcano. So you can see that this is a ball and you would see that it rotates. So every section of it basically has makeup and oil. So this is where we're gonna specifically clean. So it does ask that you use a cleanser of your choice. I'm gonna be using this one to clean it out. Now that you have your warm water, you're just gonna run it through. I'm gonna grab a little bit of my cleanser. And I'm just gonna go ahead and rub it in. You see all that makeup is coming off, all that oil, so it's going back to its natural color. And there you have it, nice and clean. I'm still kind of like speechless just because this actually worked so good. I mean, honestly, I didn't know what to expect. I just saw the video saying, hey guys, like, this is a blah, 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 and that was it. And now that I tried it, I'm, like, mind blown because it worked so well. Like, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Personally, if you are oily like me, I definitely think that you should buy this and try it out for yourself. I feel like this is something that I'm for sure, like, on specific days where, like, I want to look good, you know, for the rest of the day. Because I don't know about you guys, but usually what I do is I, like, blot with a tissue paper, and then, like, I'll reapply a little bit of powder or so. But then I end up looking cakey. Right now, I personally feel like I do not look cakey. I mean, I'm naturally cake face, you know what I'm saying? But what I mean is I don't look extra cakey. So I feel like, and I don't feel gross anymore like I was feeling earlier. So I am shook. I really recommend this. I hope that you guys give this a try. Remember, you can buy it online. Again, they're not paying me to make this video. Like, I bought this with my own money and I wanted to try out for you guys, and I'm so glad I did because I found a new product that works for me. But yeah, make sure to go ahead and try it. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, then make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that bell button to get notified whenever I upload new videos. Hit that like button and let me know what you guys like and don't like. I try to upload at least 3 times a week. I upload beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos. So if you're into that, then just subscribe. Comment down below. Let me know. Are you guys going to go ahead and try this out? Have you before? Any tips and tricks and maybe other products that you recommend us oily girls that would help out? So make sure to comment down below. You guys are more than welcome to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok. I post little previews of what I'm filming and all the good stuff. And again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Say